So today, group two, Rich and Orange, will be presenting about how to integrate spreadsheet into documents, and will be presented by Thomas and Aaron. Go ahead, Tony.
Okay, so for tables, how do we do that? So why is the reason why we have to do tables is that first it is visually appeared. It not only improves the look and it also feel of the workbook. Also for organization, it makes the content easier to manage and to read. And finally, functionality. It also adds a automatic filtering tools to the headers, which is very useful. So how do we create tables? If you look at the right, number one, we need to select the data. So for example, we can highlight the specific cell range, well, for example, A2 to D9. So all of the data will be selected. Secondly, navigate. Go to the home tab and then go to the styles group, and then you click for the format as table. Then choose style. You can pick a predefined style from the drop-down menu. And then finally, confirm. Ensure that the table, such as the My Table has headers box, is checked. If applied, then click OK. All right, so how do you modify it and also expanding it? So you can modify it by adding data, such as type in the adjacent row slash column to automatically include it. Or you can click and drag the bottom right corner of the table. And you can also change the style. So how can you do changing styles? Well, select any style kind of cell in the table, go to the design tab and choose a new look from the table styles group. And that's how you do it. Second, you can also remove if you are not okay with your tables. So how do you remove that? You can convert to range. Okay, so by removing it, first removes table functionality but keeps the data and also formatting styles. Well, can you do that? Is that you have to go to the design tab and then go to tools and then you convert to range. And then you can just do clear all. To restart completely, use clear format on the home tab. Okay. And then at last, customization. You can toggle specific features on and off in the designer tab under the table style options. Header rows displays column titles. Total row, however, adds a row at the bottom with automatic formulas. For example, sum of the column. Banded rows slash columns, alternative colors for better readability. And then filter bottom, which is shows and slash hides the drop down filters. And that is how should you adjust in tables. Okay, and we'll move on to charts.
So now on to charts. So why do we use charts? Data accuracy. Linking the chart ensures data integrity by eliminating version errors. Secondly, workflow efficiency, which is very important. Maximize efficiency by connecting analytics with documentation tools. And of course, visual consistency. This ensures stylistic consistency by matching chart attributes to document specifications. Now, to the most important part, how do we create one? First, you can create one in Excel, in Word, or in Note. In Excel, you must select the chart and copy, aka Control C. In Word, click where you want the chart and paste it, Control V. Note, the chart is linked, in Note, the chart is linked to the original file. If Excel data changes, the Word chart updates. And of course, you're gonna wanna customize it. How do we customize it, you ask? First, layout options. You can change how text wraps around the chart. Chart elements. You can add titles, legends, or labels. And chart styles. Change colors and the visual design. Chart filters. Show or hide specific data points. And lastly, editing consent. How do we give consent? Update data. Select the chart in Word, go to chart design, and refresh the data. How do we edit content? Select the chart in Word, go to chart design, and edit data. Choose to edit directly in Word or open the data in Excel. Note, charts pasted as pictures cannot be edited this way. That's it for charts, guys.
All right, thank you for listening and have a very nice day.